Okay, I'm going to show you two awesome gifts. If you are interested in wet shaving and you want to start wet shaving and get a close shave like this, look at that baby, then I recommend the Solomon Black one first. You can see all of our product comes with beautiful packaging, right? Check that out. That's just like, if you're going to give this as a gift, the person you give it to is going to love it. Love it! Okay, you take that baby up. What do you got there? Wood. I got wood, baby. So you take that out, boom, get it out of the case, and you can use this beautiful box for whatever you want. That's how that works. You open that baby up, boom, look at that. That's a beautiful gift right there, everyone. Beautiful. For gracious guys. We give a portion of every gift to charity, and we have fed this year 18,000 people. How awesome is that? That's you and us together feeding people. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Here you've got your soap, natural shave soap. This soap smells like heaven. Wow, that is amazing soap, and there's a lot of it. So this is 7 ounces of soap. I mean, you could throw this again. You could play baseball with this thing. There's so much soap here. If you want to play baseball in the backyard, you can do it with this. Or hockey. Also makes a great hockey puck. Here you got your brush. Boom, boom, boom. You know how you do that. Have a beautiful strop, what we call a strop or stroke. And basically this is used, this is leather, so you use this to clean your straight razor. La-di-da! Alright, so you can clean it with this side, and then here's where you sharpen it, right? So you sharpen your straight razor with this strop. And you need to learn how to do that because your straight razor is a tool made by hand and requires maintenance. You also have this paste, this sharpening paste, so it's like a grit, right? So you put a little bit on this side of the strop, and essentially it acts like sandpaper. You can see a little bit like sandpaper, and you can, it'll take more of an edge off. Don't use this in the beginning, use this later. We got tons of materials on our site. We got free PDFs, we got all kinds of great stuff on the site. Check it out if you need some help. Google is your friend, YouTube is your friend. Okay, the unveiling of this is the straight razor. So it comes in this beautiful case. Look at this, leather case. Hello, Mr. Leather. You're so nice and soft and supple. So you take this baby out, and we've got here the Solomon Black. Sorry if I'm going a little quick, but I got some things to show you today. Wow, this is an amazing blade. The Solomon straight razor. Beautiful algum wood, chrome end caps, and then this blade is made from Japanese steel, handmade. These things are handmade. It's amazing, right? That you can buy something like this that's handmade. What's handmade today? Very little is handmade, let me tell you that. But this is a beautiful, this razor will last you decades. That's decades with a D, like D-Rock, decades. So you want to get this straight razor. This one is the Solomon Black, right, this kit. It also comes in brown, so you can get the same kit, but it's got a brown razor. So basically it's exactly the same razor, but it has brown wood, brown strop, brown brush. So if you like brown, there you go. Boom, brown or black. Brown or black, whatever you want, we got it. So that is the Solomon kit. This makes a great present for your loved one, whoever that is. And yeah, we're gonna put this baby back. One of you is going to get it at some point this holiday because we're also giving some of these away. What? Yes, we're giving some away. Check it out, check it out. Okay, there it is.